In this video, I'm going to show you how to rent a movie on YouTube TV, so you can enjoy the latest releases or premium content directly through the platform. Let's get started. While YouTube TV itself doesn't have a built-in rental feature, you can still rent movies through the integrated YouTube Movies service, which is accessible within the YouTube TV app or website. To rent a movie, start by opening the YouTube TV app or navigating to the YouTube TV website and signing into your account. From the home screen, scroll down or use the search bar to find the Store or Movies section. Here you'll see a variety of options, including new releases, popular titles, and categories like action, comedy, or family films. Browse through the selection or use the search feature to find the specific movie you'd like to rent. Once you've found the movie, click on it to view more details, including rental pricing and available formats, SD or HD. If you're happy with the price, select Rent and confirm your payment method. After completing the transaction, the movie will be added to your library under the Purchases section. You can start watching immediately or save it for later. Rented movies are typically available for 30 days before they expire, but once you press play, you'll have 48 hours to finish watching. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, the process is the same. Just ensure you're signed into the YouTube TV app or accessing it through the YouTube website. Keep in mind that rentals are tied to your Google account, so you can also access them via the standalone YouTube app if needed. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope renting a movie on YouTube TV was easy and straightforward for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.